Good morning, everyone. This is Rajkumar Shivhare, PGT Mathematics at MLZS Jhansi. Students, today we have to start a new lesson, that is vector. You have studied about vector in previous class, that is 11th class. So here, vector. What is vector? The quantities which having both direction and magnitude are called vector. Those quantities which having magnitude as well as direction both, they are known as vector. Vector is represented by a vector. Read it as a vector equal to xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. Now first topic is scalar product. Scalar product, or we also called as dot product. Scalar product is we calling this scalar product. Why? Because in the product, after the product we will get a scalar quantity. That's why it is known as scalar product, and it is represented by a dot sign, so we called as dot product. So there are some formulas. I cap dot I cap equals to j cap dot j cap equal to k cap dot k cap equal to 1. Similarly, I dot j, j dot k, k dot a, both these are equal to 0. Now let us take an example. A vector as 2i cap minus 3j cap minus k cap, v vector as 3i cap plus 2j cap plus 5k cap. Find the scalar product, that is a dot b. So a dot b will be, this is vector a dot, this is vector b. Now multiply I with I, j with j, and k with k. Okay, 2 into 3 minus 3 into 2 minus 1 into 5. Okay, and if you multiply I with j or I with k, the result will be 0. Okay, so I am not written that one. So 2 3 are 6, minus 6 minus 5, 6 will cancel out, and minus 5 is the scalar product. This is a scalar quantity, that's why this product is known as a scalar product. Okay, and it is represented by dot between two vectors, that's why it is also called dot product. Okay, now some more formulas. Magnitude, how you will find magnitude of a vector? So let us consider this is vector A, that is xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. Now magnitude is represented by this symbol, the symbol like mod, है ना, mod का ऐसा symbol होता है. तो magnitude of a vector, this is the symbol. And how will you find magnitude? So the component of I, j, k, उनका स्क्वायर हो जाता है, x square plus y square plus z square within a square root. In this way you will find magnitude. And let us take an example of the magnitude. So here is the example. Let us take vector A, 2i cap minus j cap plus 3k cap. Find the magnitude of A. Magnitude of A is equal to under root square of 2, square of minus 1, square of 3. So 9 plus 1, 10 plus 4, 14. 14 is the magnitude. Right? Next formula, projection of vector A on vector B, that is A dot B upon magnitude of B. Okay. Similarly, projection of vector B on vector A, this will be A vector dot B vector upon magnitude of A. Now next topic is angle between two vectors. So these are the two vectors which is inclined at angle theta. So angle between two vectors given by cos theta is equal to A dot B upon magnitude of A into magnitude of B. Okay, in this way you will able to solve first exercise of vector, that is scalar dot products. Okay students, thank you very much, have a nice day.